Hi, I'm Litschi. I work on this project Sensational Wood, and the idea is to create objects from wood that you can connect with, that you can interact with, so they become really an expressive medium, and the idea is to reconnect with nature again through these instruments. So I had the chance to work with Christopher Dreimel from ETH, who developed a process to make wood electrically conductive based on a sustainable ink. And that gives us the chance to actually create sensors, proximity sensors, touch sensors, but also bend sensors and humidity sensors.
My name is Christopher Dreimel and I'm a PhD student in the Wood Material Science group. And I developed a process called IC-LIG, which stands for Iron Catalyzed Laser-Induced Graphitization. We use this process to make wood electrically conductive, and we apply an ink on the irregular rough surface of wood to balance out the structural differences. And it's quite easy to mix it. We just use tannic acid and iron ions, and when we mix these two ingredients we create an iron complex which results in this blackish color. After we coated the surface of the wood with the ink, it's the shiny ink layer, and then we graphitize it by a laser treatment, and then it becomes electrically conductive.
So I use the ink to create touch sensors, for example, to make a musical instrument for music therapy, and you can define different areas that are interactive, and you can create different sounds, for example natural sounds but also musical sounds, and the objects really vibrates because the sensors are connected to a microcomputer that reads the signal and reproduces the sounds through a transducer. Another application is also with touch or proximity sensors to create a space where you have a light switch actually embedded in the wooden wall. So you interact with the wall, with the space itself, to dim the light, for example. Then there is a wooden bowl that is wood turned with an interior that has a proximity sensor. So as you come closer to this bowl, there is a light dimming, and also you smell a scent coming out of the bowl. Then I also created a speaker made from a thin wood veneer, and I used the ink to create a breath sensor, so as you breathe on the prototype, on the speaker, the volume of the sounds go up. So future application areas that we envision are, for example, performative arts, but also spatial design, so architecture. And the idea is really to create emotional interactions for humans that helps us reconnect one area with nature, but also with ourselves through these tangible interfaces. Our vision is to continue this collaboration to really explore other fields where we can apply this technology, and also substitute certain traditional electronics with this new process.